Foundation of success number 2, understanding success, an overview. Success comes with many definitions, each a vital part of the larger picture. The more you understand success in its various forms, definitions, and designs, the more likely you are to achieve success in your life and the attainment of your every goal and dream. Further, you must learn to define what success means to you, as only you can correctly set your path and desires to alignment. What is success? How is success achieved? And how do I know if I am on the road to success or mediocrity? These are the valuable things you will learn in the second foundation of success. Success is all about progression. If you are progressing forward, they can't stop you. If you are moving forward and making progress, you can't stop you. No one can stop you. Keep progressing, keep trying new things, keep thinking smart and implementing ideas each time they come to you. Act on them. That is the key to success, to act. When you assess your goals, your tasks, and your efficiency within each task you perform, you create a perfect flow of true progression and achievement. There is no magic with success. There's only discipline and try, progression and innovation. Form a plan and have enough insight to think it through before you start. Or if you didn't have the insight to plan before you began, start now. Sit down and take some time in the midst of it to formulate your plan. Success is a pleasure. Success is the fulfillment of potential and the subsequent increase of that potential thereafter. What have you done today that makes this day successful? Think about it and write it down. If at the end of the day you can jot down the things that have made it a good, productive, and fulfilling day, you will soon see patterns forming. Get into the habit of doing this at the end of each day. When you can see a pattern of pleasure, you will know that you are on the road to success. You've got to learn to enjoy the process. All success in life comes from completing tasks and projects. Without movement and accomplishment and achievement, you will not have success. Learn to set goals and achieve them. This simple principle is the key to all success in the world. All successes begin with definiteness of purpose, with a clear picture in your mind of exactly what you want in life. Success has to be planned, and success has to be earned in advance. You earn it in advance by knowing where you're going, doing the preparation that will sustain you along the journey, and creating within yourself a burning desire to achieve your goals, both at the final destination and also along the way. So you ask yourself, what are you working hard on? Are you working hard on smart things? Are you working hard on tedious things that require hard work by nature? If you work hard for 100 years on the things that you are currently working on now, ask yourself this: will it bring the results I want, or will I always get by, making slow progress? And if the answer is that you will just get by, then you need to look at your options and wonder, what can you work harder on that will bring incredible results that you're looking for? Losers make excuses. Winners make progress. What a simple and yet profound statement. Those who will never accomplish anything great in life are held back by their ability to believe in their own excuses. Those who will accomplish great things and make great strides with who they will become, what they want, and what they will accomplish, those people don't accept their own excuses. They reach a point where their old selves would give up and take a perfectly valid excuse as a way out, but instead of giving in and being mediocre, they rise to the occasion. They recognize that they want to be winners. They want to be capable people, so instead of accepting their excuses, they find a new way. They push through until progress is made and they reach the end of their task. You've got to recognize that ability within yourself, that you are able, that there is always another way to find an answer and a road through to what you want to accomplish. Don't ever let any excuse stand in your way of greatness ever again. To become a professional means to understand success and to only work towards success. Effort and achievement in the wrong direction amount to nothing of value. Success is about learning and doing. One of the biggest actions for success is to learn and do. When you put this principle into practice, you will notice your path to success is quickened and by a major factor of increase. You must continually learn and do. See, many people do one or the other. There are two types of people to be aware of, to watch out that you do not find yourself to have become one of these. The first is those who only do and never learn. The second is those who only learn and never do. Identify the task that has the greatest potential positive consequence and focus on it with discipline and determination. Once this task is done, you will notice a massive increase. It will make you rich, and if it doesn't make you fully rich, it will be the next step to getting you there. And then you'll have another, and as long as you continue knocking out your most important tasks rather than getting caught up in the mundane and the tedious tasks that just don't produce, you will find success, and you will find it quicker than most people. This is your process to getting rich and having success. Be addicted to success. We all want to become addicted to success. Right now, you may be addicted to failure. You may be given to laziness and procrastination. You may have come to expect mediocrity from yourself as the norm. But no man should live that way. We were not created to live a life of mediocrity. We were made to fulfill and live our fullest potential. And the good news is that we were built with a process whereby we can overcome all things contrary to that purpose. We've got to become addicted to our own success. Develop a discipline of success. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal. Success is not the arrival or the accomplishment, although that is certainly part of it. No, success is the action and the journey of striving for something desired, something worthy and something that provides and brings improvement into our lives. This is what Cervantes meant when he said that the road is better than the inn. By this definition of success, you are not a success if you get to your destination and stay. You are only successful when you are progressing towards a desire to have a worthy goal. Therefore, success is in the betterment of the person, not in the destination, not in the arrival, but in the process and the forward momentum, the progress. Success, therefore, is the progressive realization of a worthy goal. Learn to live successfully one day at a time. A successful task completed well is nothing more than a lot of successful days put together. Inevitably, it is going to take a certain number of days to reach your goal. If your goal is to be realized in the minimal amount of time, then every day counts. Make sure that you understand success, and if you enjoyed this foundation of success, understanding success, and its overview, I would encourage you to sign up for the full program of the Foundations of Success, which you can find in a link in the description below in the YouTube video. In that link, you will be added to the full program, the Foundations of Success, where you can get a really in-depth overview and understanding of what success is, how you can understand it, how you can apply it to your life. And we look at all of these concepts presented in this brief overview of the Foundation of Success and understanding success. And we go very in-depth in each one of those concepts and help you apply them to your life and help you take action on them. So again, I just encourage you to sign up for the full Foundation of Success program, which is a link in the description of the video below. Thanks for listening. I'm Makai Block. This is Limitless North.